So what we are doing? Between numbers. Between मतलब बीच में. Number 6 comes in between 5 and 7. Then what comes in between 11 and 13? 12. 12 comes in between 11 and 1, 3, 13. Then what? Sorry. Which number comes in between 16 and 18? Number 17 comes in between 16 and 1, 8, 18. So between numbers मतलब होता है बीच वाले number. You have to look at the numbers and you have to find out after counting which number comes in between the given numbers. Next one is 2, 5, 25 and 2, 7, 27. So let's say the counting started from 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So what comes in between 25 and 27? 26 comes in between 25 and 27. Twenty-six comes in between 25 and 27. Now the next one is 2, 8, 28 and 3, 0, 30. So what comes in between 2, 8, 28 and 3, 0, 30? So say the counting. We have to say the counting for writing the between numbers. है ना? So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And what comes after 28? 28 के बाद क्या आएगा? Come on. 29. 29, 29. Twenty-nine comes in between 28 and 3, 0, 30. Done? So I'm erasing this. Now, 3, 3, 33 and 3, 5, 35. Chalo. So what comes in between 33 and 35? For that, we have to say the counting. कौन सी number की counting बोलेंगे? 3 वाली, 3 line. So 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33. And अब 33 के बाद क्या लिखेंगे हम? What comes after 33? 34. 34. 34 comes in between 33 and 35. And the last one is 3 8 38 and 4 0 40. Chalo. So say the counting from 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. After 38, 39. 39, 39. So what comes in between 38 and 40? 38 और 40 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आया? 39. Number 39 comes in between 38 and 40, 40. Okay. Let's start. The title of our English rhyme is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Start. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere where Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Lamb किसे कहते हैं? Lamb is the young one of sheep. Sheep का जो बच्चा होता है, बेबी होता है, इसको lamb कहते हैं. Start करें again. Start. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere where Mary went, the fleece was sure to go. The lamb was sure to go. जहां भी मैरी जाती थी, उसके पीछे 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 कौन आता था? लैम. जो शीप का बच्चा था, वो उसके पीछे पीछे आता था. ओके, चलो. नाउ sit down. Cholo, come on, we have to do the English work as well. Come on. So, come on, get your English copy. Everyone. Okay, so write down the date first. The date is 17/11/2021. Come on. So what we are writing? We are writing U sound words. U sound words. U sound words. मतलब U का sound क्या होता है? अ. U says अ. So we are writing U sound words. Listen everyone, listen. It is very important to read the words before writing. आप जो भी words लिख रहे हैं, it's very important to write it before. It's very important to read it before writing. ठीक है? चलो, let's start. Number 1. Now, let's start. So the first one is B plus UD. So B says B. B का sound होता है B. U says A. B, A और D says D. B, ad, bud. B, ad, bud. Bud मतलब होता है फ्लावर की जो कली होती है उसको bud कहते हैं. So you have to write down each word 3 times. B-U-D, bud. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So sorry. It's not bud. It is hut. Hut. So, ho, H plus U-T. Ho, a, to, hut. Ho, a, to, hut. देखो, H says her, U says a, and T says to. Her, a, to, hut. हट मतलब क्या होता है? झोपड़ी. हट. हो अट हट. हो अट हट. हट. हो अट हट. हो अट हट. Number 2. Actually, the pages are not in a sequence in the copy. That's why sometimes we'll get confused about it. Hut. Now, number 2. Say the phonic sound and try to read the word. Ho, at, hut. Write down the word at least 2 or 3 times depending upon the space in your copy. Number 2 is nut. Nut. Nuts मतलब होता है जैसे हम बादाम खाते हैं, almonds and cashew nuts, kaju, raisins, they all are comes in the category of nuts. So N plus U-T. N plus U-T. No, at, nut. No, at, nut. Ho, at, hut. No, at, nut. Read and write. Next one, number 3. Number 3 is cut. Cut. So C plus U T. Okay. C plus U T. So C says k. K, a, t. K at cut. K at cut. C says k, U says a, and T says ta. K, a, t, cut. K at cut. cut. Now next one. Next one is the picture of cub, lion, lion's young one. Lion का जो बच्चा होता है उसको कहते हैं cub. Look in your copy. That's a picture of young one of lion, tiger, lion, any. So they are known as cub. जो lion, tiger इन सब के बच्चे होते हैं, young ones होते हैं, they are known as cub. C plus U B. K ab cub. C says ka, U says a, and B says b. Ka ab cub. Ka ab cub. Cub. Write down. Hut, nut, cut, cub. Then number 5. Tub. T plus U B. T ab tub. T ab tub. Say the phonic sound and try to read it. T says t. T का sound होता है t. U says a. T. A और B sounds b. T ab tub. T ab tub. Tub. Number 6. Number 6 is, what is this? Cup. Up, come on. Say and write the spelling. C plus U P. Okay. So C says K, U says A, or P says P. K up cup. K up cup. Cup. Now, number 7 is the baby of dog. The baby of dog. So it is known as pup. The baby of dog, the young one of dog is known as pup. P plus U P. P says paw, paw up, pup, paw up, pup. Pup. Tub, cup, pup. Now, The last one is bus. B plus U S. बस बस देखो बी का साउंड होता है ब बी सेज ब यू सेज अ एंड एस सेज स ब अ स ब अस बस ब अस बस ओके टब कप पप बस